Really, thank you. Go this way.
Yo, 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 checking in per usual. New strand, new year. Isn't that great? Looks like this one will kill you quick. They're saying people who are catching this are dropping dead within 48 hours. Yesterday, I saw a 10-year-old girl getting dragged from her house and taken to the Q zone. Well, we know what the Q stands for. Quick dead. All I'm saying is, if you see those guys in those big-ass yellow suits coming up your block, you better hide your little sister.
Good evening, Miss Garcia.
Still on for date night?
Oh, every night. You can't get rid of me.
You're such a stalker.
Yeah, well, it's easy when my victim can't leave her home. You're not missing much out here.
Yeah, except for that view.
Oh, you like that?
This is my view, though. I think mine's better. Say hi, Lita.
Hola, Nico, ¿cómo estás?
Hey, Lita, how are you?
Muy bien, Lita. ¿Y tú?
Estoy bien. ¿Y tú?
Nico, please don't fall.
I'm not gonna fall.
I mean, if I did, I wonder how long it would take someone to find me out here.
Are you kidding? Lester would have a cleanup crew there in like 10 minutes tops.
Because a dead courier is bad for business.
I sounded just like him, didn't I? I'll see you later, stupid. I miss you.
Give me an hour.
I got one more drop-off I'm late for.
I'm not going anywhere.